Hey y'all, it's Angela.
Jonathan.
We are here to talk to you about our all new 100 Days of Summer challenge.
Oh my gosh, 100 days?
100 days.
That's incredible. What all do I get?
Well, okay, so we're gonna have 3 themes. June's theme is creating habits. So we have a couple cool things going on, but the main thing is a workshop with Renee, and you're gonna pick one habit that you want to do, like something.
Just one habit? Okay.
Just one.
Okay.
Like go to yoga or
that's
drink less beer, Jonathan.
Oh no.
And Renee's gonna teach you how to do it, okay?
Oh, nice, okay.
Yeah.
That would be good for me.
Yeah, and then we have an opening party, lots of goodies. July's theme is play.
Oh, play.
Summer play.
Well, the thing about July is we're going to actually go on a hike with moi. And then there's brunch afterwards.
Yes.
And we can play Connect 4 at brunch.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
We're going to do a
absolutely.
yoga class over at Revershon. Yoga, hiking, brunch.
Hike, yoga, brunch. Brunch is last. Just make sure brunch is last.
Mimosas last,
Yeah.
after.
Oh my
yes.
gosh, yeah.
And Jenny's going to lead a summer book club in July.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I love to read.
I love to read
Yeah.
too. And then August is cool down, because hello, August, cool down. So we'll still be doing yoga. Katie's gonna do some cool nutrition stuff about cooling foods, juices, smoothies, meal prepping.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah. And then we'll have a huge party at the end. So, of course, there's stickers.
Another party?
Another
2
party!
parties?
Lots of parties!
I love parties.
There's gonna be stickers, accountability. We're gonna have a private Facebook page. We're gonna educate you guys every day. It's only $39 for members.
What?
Just $39. Can you believe it? Non-members, we have a special price for you that includes yoga, so just talk to us about that. But it's online right now. Go to yogasportdallas.com/events, sign up. Join us, you guys, because summer is fun and we're going to have a lot of fun.
We'll see you 100 days.
Woohoo!